Good morning, my dear children. I am here again to teach you the subject English 2. So, open your English 2 book, page number 29. Yesterday, we completed our work till here. So, I hope you all have also done your work. So, today we will be doing this one. Okay? Listening. While listening, description. Listen to the sentences. Tick the correct words in color. So you have to read the sentences and tick the correct words. Which is the correct words in color? So these two words are in color. So out of these two, you have to choose the correct words. Okay. So let's see. Number 1. There is a cat on the. There is a cat on the tree or roof. There is a cat on the roof. Okay, so you tick mark on this word roof. There is a cat on the roof. Number 2. The cat licks, bites her tail clean. The cat licks, bites her tail clean. So which will be the correct word for this sentence? Licks. Okay, the cat licks her tail clean. The cat licks her tail clean. Number 3. She is very fluffy or soft. She is very soft. So we will tick mark on this word soft. She is very soft. Number 4. She is black or brown. She is black. Okay, we will do in the black. In the word black. Number 5. She likes to play with a ball or bat. She likes to play with a ball. Okay, again I am repeating. There is a cat on the roof. The cat licks her tail clean. She is very soft. She is black. She likes to play with a ball. Okay. Now here we have another work. Words in use. Look at these pictures. Draw lines to match the pictures with the correct basket. So you have to do matching. So for doing matching, you have to draw lines. Now see, here are different boxes. This is a vegetable basket, means basket. This is a vegetable basket. This is fruits basket. This is animals basket. So you have to match according to this name. Okay. Now here we see different things. First is carrot. So carrot is a fruit, a vegetables. So we will match in this with this vegetable basket. Okay. So we will keep here vegetables. Now what is this? This is watermelon. So watermelon is a fruit. So we'll match this watermelon with this fruit basket. Now this is rabbit. So a rabbit is an animal. So we'll match this rabbit with this animal basket. Now this is spinach. Spinach is a vegetable. So it will go in the vegetable basket. Now here we have cauliflower. It is also a vegetable, so it will also go in the vegetable basket. Okay. Now we have a squirrel. Squirrel is an animal, so squirrel will come in the animal basket. Now this is mango. Mango is a fruit, so it will go in fruit basket. Now this is a cat. Cat is an animal, so this cat will go in this animal basket. So it is very simple. I know, I hope you all can do it. So your today's work is to write it down in your book only. Okay, do this work in your book, and I'll send you the notes of this one to write in your notebook. Okay, so please do your work and also do study at your home. So this was for today. Thank you.